Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, just at the top of the hill.
Thank you.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie, did you get any of that?
Yes, reading you loud and clear, Mr. Chippie, over.
Alright, I didn't seem to get you at first.
Oh dear, that's not a good sign. Right, make your way down to the next one, which will be Scratchy Corner.
Roger that. Is it manual squelch on this one?
Yes, Roger, but the extreme left puts it into auto squelch.
Alright, got you. Might be better now.
10-4.
Right, I'll see you at the next point. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie receiving.
You over.
Tango 21, are you receiving? Tango 21, are you receiving?
Yeah, 21, Mr. Chippie. Mr. Chippie, do you receive, over?
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Roger, I'm just receiving you. I know it's you, I can hear the bleep, but that's all I'm getting, over.
Roger that, I'll leave it at that and go to the next test then, over.
Just about hear you there. Move on to the next test point, please.
Yeah, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie receiving.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, you are still unreadable at that position. You are unreadable at that position, but I did hear the bleep and I know it's your voice, over.
Roger that, I've moved a little bit further, any better?
Yes, I can hear what you're saying at that one, over.
Roger that, well we're at the lay-by near the crossing, over.
Okay, Roger. When you get out of the car for the next one, can you call me on the car, please, so I can turn the squelch down specially, just to see if I can get anything, over.
Yeah, Roger, will do. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on the mobile rig in the car.
Okay, Roger, I'll listen out for you.
Roger that. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 to Mr. Chippie, I know you're at the Kelby turn. You can just try and give me a call, over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, any better? Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving? Roger, I've just got that you've nothing received, so I'll go back to the car. Tango 21, take it that was nothing received, over.
Yeah, that was nothing received. Do the same at the next one, please.
Roger, will do. P, are you receiving at the Grayleys turn?
Roger, are you in the car, over?
Yeah, roger that.
Okay, I'll listen out for you.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Mr. Chippie, do you receive, over?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear. Are you receiving me at all?
Tango 21 to Mr. Chippie. Nothing received.
Roger. Well, you won't be hearing this, but there's a nice bra in the tree over there. You heard nothing then?
That's correct, so if you'd like to move on to the last one, please.
Roger that. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, now at the Rossby level crossing, if you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Roger, I'll start the test now.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Mr. Chippie, do you receive, over?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, are you receiving me?
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, I just think I heard the bleep. Just go once again, please, over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21, nothing received.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Yeah, I think you just heard the bleep in one particular spot, but obviously it's not good enough to hold a conversation.
Absolutely, it's a nice demonstration about how multiple gets through when speed doesn't. Right, are you going shopping?
That's a Roger.
Okay, catch you back at Tango Towers later. Thank you, 10-10.
10-10.